Hello everyone. This is Barry from Elliott Wave. How's it going? I hope you guys can hear me loud and clear. As always, please let me know in the comments if you can hear me. It looks like you should be able to hear me just about fine. So, hope everyone is doing. Hope everyone has had a great week. Mine was pretty good, I have to say. Can't lie. Sorry if I'm chewing, but just adding my snack here. Hello Sam, how you doing? Good to see you. So let's notify everyone we're live on the Discord. There we go. Great. Awesome. All right. So, as always, let's get the request started, guys. There you go, Sam. Awesome. So let me also type it in the chat. Ask me anything to analyze. There we go. And let's pin it. There we go. And as always, you guys don't forget to join the Discord. So let me also send the link. Free Discord. Hello Eric, it's good to see you. It's been a long time, isn't it? Hope everyone is doing great. But yeah, you started the requests coming, you keep them coming. And hope you notify all your friends who are live. Oh, there we go. The Nasdaq. Oh, it's good to see you. It's good to see you guys. I haven't seen you in a long time, but so I'm pretty happy about it. I have to say it. So let me just turn down the brightness of this screen. Otherwise, I'll go blind in a few minutes. There we go. All right. So let's get started. And you guys just line them up, queue them up. I have my eyes on the chat. No worries. I will not forget about you. Maybe. So, new day, new 50 cents. I go into the candle, even though it's not really a different it should be a cryptos, right? Any preference, Sam? Binance one? Not sure if we ever. Do I have it here somewhere? No, I do not. Oh yeah, I have this. Okay. Nice. But yeah, I think the AXS USD. Yeah, I think the Binance one. Let me know if the Binance one is fine, but from what I can see, and I would also suppose that's what I said last time around. Obviously, what comes to my mind is what if we have this three-wave move being a three-wave move only, not 5. So, wait, let me just, meaning that we have something like this. 61.8, not equality. A bit shy of equality, which is a bit unfortunate. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like this could be 1, 2. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of some degree, which is unimportant right now. And this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For wave 1, extended 1, 1, 2, Nagali wave 4, A, B, C. we have no overlap of 1 and 4, as you can see. That's good. So yeah, I mean, I guess you could assume and trade based on something like this, knowing that this could easily just be a wave A, but trading wise, it depends on obviously what you want to do. But if you want to trade it, then it is kind of unimportant. So obviously this could be traded in different ways, such as a stop here. So you have weight kind of validation if 4 overlaps with 1, and a TP wherever you want. Hi Patrick, how you doing? It's good to see you. Or else you could be more aggressive. Assume we are gonna assume this. I don't know, maybe some kind of triangle, but it's early to say. It's very early to say, and do something like this. I don't know. Eric, got you. No worries. I'll have that. Saw that. But yeah, Sam, let me know if you have any questions about this, or any of you guys. As well, keep the requests coming. So obviously this would be, and that would be the estimate for wave 4. So trading wise, I mean, it could make sense. Not gonna lie. So that was that. And then what else do we have? SMRTG. SMRTG, interesting. Got you, Patrick. We'll take gold after later. I got it lined up. No worries. So I mean, I'm thinking about wave 2. No worries, Sam. Let me know if you have questions. I'm thinking about obviously something like this. Not sure if wiring something like this. It's possible, but I would assume by looking at the gaps, very volatile market. So or else, I mean. Something like this for wave A. I know. I was a bit complicated. There's not much data to work with, but let me know if you have questions. Yeah, this looks like a through-wave move. Let me see on the 1 hour. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh. One, 2. I mean, it could be 5. Could be 5. So what I would do is look for support there. There, and let's look at volume on the move up. Up here, and then down here we have volume, then down here, yeah. I'll look for something around here. Some sort of support. Let me know if you have questions. So next one up, I think, was the Nasdaq. So we'll take the Nasdaq, which, It's interesting to say the least. Let me have a sip of water. So, the Nasdaq. What is going on? So let me see if I had. Okay, so we're talking down the possibility. Let me zoom out. Of this wave 4. Now, we've had a pretty large retracement. That was 36%. We have had anything like that ever since. Yeah. 208, 08, and then even the Covey's lows was smaller. So it makes us think it could be, larger pullback. Now, my question is, are we done? And I think that's on everyone's mind at the moment. So, from what I can say, let me see. Just 1 second. Is the Nasdaq going to turn downside soon? That's a good question. So if we are into this wave 4, as this wave 2 was sharp, then I would expect this wave 2 to be more of a sideways correction. So yeah, I can see I had this count in mind. But I wouldn't ABC. You see an end diagonal for C. I don't see it actually. Depends on where we're looking, but I don't see it. So the problem with this count is, look at this. That's a 3-wave move. Unless, but it's 1, A, B, C for 2. But even then, you have overlapping waves, so maybe you see a diagonal like this. I would assume. I guess that's what you see. Oh, some degree. But yeah, as you can see, this count was invalidated. So either we are onto something like this. Let me see if I. So equality stands right there. I don't know. Let me think about it. Because what I'm thinking is, so if this is wave B of XY of Z, then it starts to lose credibility, because this would be compared to like the other wave B's would be too large. So what I'm thinking is, so let's do this triple combo and then hide it. Let's get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this. What I'm thinking is down, up, down, or else we start to move sideways and then resume higher. That's also possible. That's also something I wouldn't be surprised to see. So if this is down, and I struggled in the past to count this move down because of different factors, but it would be A, B, C, and here you'd have diagonal in 1, up for 2, down in 3, up for 4, and then down for wave 5. And that would make wave A, up for B, down for C, of 4, so primary degree. That's also possible, I guess. which at this point it starts to lose gain credibility. Sorry, let's call it flat. To be honest, so there's either A, B, C, or one lesser degree, but I don't know. What do you say? So let's take out Fibonacci's. Look at fibs. So 38.2 could be an area to look at. What do you say? Questions, thoughts? One, two, three, four, five. It would make sense, wouldn't it? What do you guys say? So yeah, just let me know what you think, and then we can go over it again later. No worries. That's what I'm here for, after all. Yeah, I think so. I mean, at this moment, as we also on the daily, if you look at it, we are at the 200 EMA, which we only reached it. I mean, technically 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and this is a 4th. So 3 times rejected it. So let's see what's gonna happen this time. I mean, can we have a bottom here for wave 4? Technically, I guess. There is a way to count this as wave 1. This one, let me highlight it. This as 1, 2. It does look. What I can say is what I learned over the years. I haven't been around for too long, but I've been around long enough, at least, to notice that many times when something does look like a wave 1, it looks more like a wave A because it looks more like a 3-wave move. But in a period of uncertainty, many times it's a wave 1. So, I used to let's say, no, that's there's no way that can be a wave 1. There's no way we resume the upside. I wouldn't be so sure this time, just based on experience. And again, obviously, I said I can count it as 5. So I'm just saying it does look like the best thing I've ever seen, but it's still possible. So let me know if you have questions for Federate's comment. Yeah. I guess we'll find out. But yeah, I know about that. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Not sure what they're anticipating though. So Eric, let's take a look at whatever that is. CQT, USDT. Oh yeah, I got you, man. I have Eric lined up, and then with gold. No worries, Patrick. Haven't forgotten about you. Just 5 inputs down. Is it this one? Tether, Qcoin. Okay. I have 5 inputs down, but I can't figure out a count after August. So I think it'll be this one. So you're saying, I think we had 1, 2. What if this is 3, 4, and 5? It looks to me like a triangle in B after C. To be honest, because I can see this. I'll show you. I'll zoom in just a second. Let's say diagonal. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can investigate 2. That 2. But yeah, here on I can see this A, B, C, D, E. What do you say? What do you say, Eric? So I would look for resistance around here. I mean, rather down here rather than up here. What do you think? Looks decent to me. Let's see. Fib retracement. Yeah, we also had the 38.2 at around that level, so it makes sense. I guess you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that what you think? To be honest, I just prefer this as 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just prefer it. Also, let's take a look at this. Yeah, also, we have the trend channel right around there. So that also another additional confluence. That's why. After 40 cents, well, obviously 40 cents wouldn't validate my count. I don't know. Yes, I do agree in saying I think there's a bit more upside, than what we have right now. But I prefer this way also. This way you'd have sharp 2, sideways 4. So alternation being met. And that's also a confluence. Let me see if you have size. So equality of 2v4 is at it's here. It's too high. But yeah, I'm sorry, but I prefer it this way. I could be wrong. Or true. Well, you can post it on the Discord, guys. You guys can always post on the Discord. Don't forget about that. That's what the Discord's for. I post, but everyone can post. So, yeah. Just not sure if you're in Discord already, but if you're not, join, and you can post whatever you want and get my feedback if you want. And that applies obviously to everyone. So yeah, guys, don't forget about the Discord. I'll send the text again for the Discord. There we go. Just join. No worries. I'll let you know what I think about it. Maybe tomorrow morning. All right, guys. So Patrick, at last. But yeah, guys, let me know if you have questions. Let me know if there's anything else you want to take a look at. That's what I'm here for. So yeah, again, gold moving as expected. See, this is an example of kind of an RSI epic fail. That's, if you can allow me that sentence. Yeah. Too bad. So yeah, as I said in the video, all the videos, all the live sessions, upside. There's no reason to be bearish right now. That's what the count says. and not just the count apparently. But yeah, upside. Which again doesn't mean buy, just buy. Sell your hours and buy it. Do not do that. I mean, do whatever you want, but I wouldn't do that. But yeah, it's hard to count because it's all, as I said, it was gonna be. In the last video I posted on Bitcoin, on gold, I said it was gonna be a series of overlapping waves. But yeah, upside. Yeah, upside. That's all I'll say. Yeah, this looks like maybe diagonal. Wave 5. But yeah, as long as we do not have a deeper retracement, I'll still assume we are in this wave 3. And then the moment we do have a deeper retracement, I will assume we are in this wave 3. I mean, we will assume we're in this wave 5. So that's how I'm gonna count it and trade it. What else? Silver. USD. Silver. Yeah, upside. I mean, it's using on this 4 hour. As you can see, the 200 has support. EMA, but yeah, upside too. Makes sense to follow. But yeah, upside. Let me see if I can come up with something interesting. I mean, the only bearish scenario I can see, which is possible, it's A, B, C. And here you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll zoom in for you. That's the only bearish. Which, I mean, it is the only one, but I wouldn't underestimate it. Here you go, diagonal for 5. Yeah. Yep, it's possible. So yeah, maybe keep that in mind. Let me know if you have questions. Tell me what you think. And guys, yeah, you just ask. Keep a request coming. Let me know what you want to see next, or if you have questions. Whew. It's been 30 minutes already. Time flies when you're having fun, doesn't it? All right. But yeah, I mean, can you believe on Bitcoin here, we went from 15 to 23 in what? 2 months, 50% gain, 2 months in Bitcoin. That's a lot of money. That is a lot of money. And Solana was like almost doubled. I think 160% off the lows. 200%, my bad. BTC short term. Depends on what you mean short term. My short term, so no more than a week from now. Okay. Alright, fair enough. Okay. So I mean, I made a video on it, which I posted yesterday, so not good, Eric. Should have seen it. Just kidding. You shouldn't know it by heart. No, I'm just messing with you. So, at this point, I don't wanna. So short term, I don't want to discount. So short term, if we don't really care about what comes before this point, or if we just pay little to no attention to it, then 1, 2, and I would assume we're going this way 3. So if I'm wrong, what could happen is A, B, C, A, B, C, 5 ways up, and then we would just resume lower. But I do expect at least, if not a resumption of the uptrend, at least a larger correction, which is kind of, if you think about it, same thing as we said about the Nasdaq earlier. Either a resumption of the uptrend or a larger correction. And also makes sense based like what happened over the past year. So it looked like we were in with this wave 4. We were ready for it. But to be honest, I like to see it maybe something like this. So a bit longer, at least either time or magnitude or deeper. So I guess we'll find out. But yeah, upside. Also, one thing I think it's worth paying attention to is this yearly chart, Bitcoin. Look at how over what? 09, 23, 14 years. Yes, 14 years. We only had so far 2 red candles. Last year was the 3rd one. If you don't really care about this one. So 2 red candles. And over the past 2 red candles, and it was only just 1 red candle. So just 1 negative year. So there was never 2, let's say, negative losing years in a row in Bitcoin history. So I think that's quite remarkable. Obviously, it's not the same for, let's say, the Nasdaq, because I'm pretty sure, like the 2000, only the 2000 actually for the Nasdaq if you look at it. So again, for the Nasdaq, are we going to have a losing year? I'm not sure. But last time it happened, over the past, again, 08, so 15 years, it only happened twice. And never have the 2 losing years in a row. So I think that's an interesting stat, isn't it? Quite fascinating. And then, the tech bubble was the tech bubble, so quite something. Which doesn't mean buy, as if there's no tomorrow. I'm not saying this, and though, even if I was, you shouldn't listen to me because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy, but I think it's just interesting from a trading point of view. I think it's quite interesting. Can we make sense of any chart? So January for Nasdaq is 34th month. You mean 34th month of what? Not a downside. What do you mean by that, JC? Also, can we make any sense of out of XRP, so Ripple preference? BitHum, my bad. Can we make any sense out of it? Can we make any sense out of it? I don't think we can. Now we could try, but we would most likely fail. So I would say it's quite pointless. Yeah, XPR. Sorry. Yeah. Oh, wasn't it the same one? My bad. Oh, okay. It's bad already. Yeah, I got you. To be honest, what I'm seriously wondering and asking myself is, why the hell would you go on to a crypto against South Korean won. I mean, not judging. Oh, since April. But yeah, GC. I mean, I'd rather count like the month of since the top of, was it November of 2021? I'd rather count that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 if we count the month, November itself. Over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is not a fib number, but 13 is. So, not quite. Anyways. There's charts. Okay. It is a bit messy. I know, man. I don't know if you really want to make sense out of it. Why don't we make sense out of something else? I mean, the only... Oh, true. But yeah, I like to count. I'm like the other way. Even though the fib tool is like more of a... Yeah, okay. Fair enough. I mean, for the, like... So, with the fib tool, I would use like this, like... fib time zone. Yes. I would compare the time elapsed in wave 2 of the same degree. Oh no, not this one, sorry. This one. Not time, but yeah, it is time. So, we bottom before equality. So we bottom here and equality is here of time with this wave 2 and this wave 1. So we were close, but not quite. But again, that's confluence. Synchronous WXY. Yeah, it's possible. Like, yes. Yeah. W, X, Y, or ABC. Who cares? I mean, yeah. I'm not sure if I already said it or it was just in my mind, but the only bullish thing is this. Doesn't show, but this line is equality. So it's equality of these two moves. That's the only bullish thing I can come up with. Other than that, like, it's pretty hard. Not gonna lie. It's pretty tough. But yeah, anything else, guys? Anything you want to ask? Any questions? Anything you want me to take a look at, to analyze? I'm here. How's the Dow? Some interesting. All right. How's the Nifty do? Oh, okay. So we move on to the alternate, or else, yeah, makes sense. Oh, I knew it was gonna come, Patrick. It's a DAX. Okay. And Turkish index is fine as well. So let's do let's call it the Forex roundup. So Aussie dollar, no clue. What I would say is, okay, resistance here. Yeah. But potentially there's more upside to come. Yeah. Maybe upside. I'll go for upside. A bit more, at least. EU. Still moving higher. Even though it's see, this would be our side divergence. So let's see what's gonna happen. I mean, this is just a 4-hour though. I'd rather have it on the daily. But yeah, I would expect a pullback soon. And obviously I would assume DXY is doing the opposite, which a few weeks ago I said it, we're gonna go here. We did get here. It's all on the district, you can find everything. And now we're sitting on it. So yeah, I would expect a pullback higher here and down for obviously EU, and then the pound. Close to invalidation. Basically invalidated. But then yeah, that's the theory of move down. I don't know. I mean, at this point we could break higher, but I would still expect downside. Let me see if I can count it. Yeah. Not sure how to count it, but oh man, you get this. And then what else? Oh, and then the Kiwi yen, and ZDUSD. Yeah, similar to upside. I go for upside because similar to the Aussie. I don't see why not. I can aim higher. Or else, bearish view. I'll be the alternate. Let me know if you have questions. I know I went quick, but that's what it is with Forex. To be honest, like, again, I'm only an Elliott trader and analyst, but I could find you much more setups with stocks. And I mean, I follow daily a list of like about 50, 60 stocks. I can find you lots of trading setups on stocks. Being, having a pretty good degree of confidence in what I'm doing than Forex. Or also cryptos actually, but it's easier on stocks. They're just much more stocks. Oh, speaking of, let me take a look at big names. Okay. So I wonder also, Apple, do we have a bottom here? Tesla 10%. Ooh, look at this. I missed that. 70%. That is a lot of money, man. Facebook off the lows. Yeah, we should have all bought. Wow. All right. It's a good one, I promise. You better. USDT. Feel like it's gonna be the last one, unfortunately. But I'll be back, no worries, guys. Posted 2 videos this week, and here we have. Okay, let's say it's less crappy than the others. I don't know, man. I mean, I could expect something like this. And then downside. To be honest. That's what I... That's what I would expect. And is this a 5-width move? God only knows, I guess. It's not an easy one, that's for sure. That's for sure. That is for sure. Alright, guys. I thank you all for joining, as always. Hope to see you just as many next week. And hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was helpful. Hope I helped out a little, as I'm trying to do. And again, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. Feel free to post on Elliott Wave. And yeah, that's what the Discord's for. If you have friends in the trading business, have them on board on the Discord. Have them post. You guys post. You can ask questions when I post. You can ask anything. That's what the Discord's for. And I'll see you with weekly videos, and then I'll see you again either Friday or Thursday next week. Yeah, thanks Eric, Fan JC. Thanks you for joining. Hope you guys all have a great weekend, and I'll see you